Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today, this is week 3, day 2. These are what we pulled yesterday. 2 amazing pulls yesterday. So if you didn't watch that yesterday, well, go back and watch it. Yeah, they were really nice pulls yesterday. And people still have not contacted me over the giveaway, so if you want to go back and watch to see if you won, it's there on the channel. I did a zombie race, and I put everybody's names in there that commented and subscribed, so make sure you go back and watch and then DM me if you won. I have a few people that have not contacted me, so you should get on that. Alright, let's see if we got any winners today. Whoops, I scratched the box a little bit too much. Oh, there we go! Alright, we have one winner box. I guess all I had to do was scratch the box, huh? There we go. So let's see what we got. So winner means there's going to be either a really nice card that's around 100, or there is going to be a really nice card in here too. So it's going to be, oh, that's the second time we saw this with these two of these. So it means we're going to get a really nice card. I believe the card has to be under 200. So yeah, so this should be super sweet. Let's put that over there because that's out of the winner box. Let's start with these. If you need any cards, feel free to go to my website. I have them all sitting there. Oh, we have a movie quote. If you sit on a shelf for the rest of your life, you'll never find out. So that is the movie quote from Toy Story. We'll go through this pack real fast, or these packs real fast, and then see what's in the winner box. There's usually 2, possibly 3 winner boxes a case. More than likely 2. There's Jesse and Russell. So, and these do not want to cooperate on me or with me today, because I'm so excited about hitting a winner box. We have Hank and Woody. Yeah, so if you won, make sure you contact me. Number 1 and number 2 prizes have not contacted me for both weeks, so yeah, we have 2 art boards and a Starbucks card and a film cell out there. I mean, it's ready to be won. You guys just have to contact me. Just DM me. Jack and Wally. I mean, if you don't want it. Oh, we got both Carls. Got the lenticular of Jack trying to take his father's head off. And Wally and Eve again. Yeah, I have not seen any real sweet cards. Well, there's 10 of them that are actually 1 of 1 cards, so I have not seen anybody ever pull one of those, so I am on the hunt to get one of those 1 of 1 cards. I've seen 10 of 10, which is a black refractor card. Those are awesome too. We have a Buzz Lightyear 3D and a claw. Yeah, I've seen the 10 of 10s. And I have a few of the out of 50 cards. I have a few of those, but other than that, I have never seen anybody pull a 101 card yet. So, hey, maybe we got it right here. That would be amazing. We have a Wally and a Slinky Dog. Alright, so that means it's either a sweet card in these packs or over there in the encased cards. Nemo and Dory? I don't see a Dory in there. It says Dory. Oh, there she is. Right there. It's the third picture. And we got the rats. Last two times, the last two nice cards I got were, they're called Nebula, and they're like they're twice the thick like that. They're like this, twice the thick of normal cards. And those are out of 50. We have a Wally, and we have a Jessie. Wally says, I don't want to survive, I want to live. Getting low on packs. Ooh, this one feels thicker. This could be it. Nope, it's the one with the checklist. It tricked me. We have Eve and we have Merida. Yeah, the checklist tricked me. Woody and the Incredibles. Yeah, if you're looking for any certain set, I do have that on my website too, plushgamesandmore.com. And if you're watching on TikTok, which I put these out on TikTok every single day, join us on YouTube. You can't win prizes on TikTok, but you win plenty of prizes on YouTube. So get over here. Bob Parr and Dash Parr. Alright, so this is the last one. So if it's not here, then it's got to be over there in the encased cards, which the encased cards could mean a nice, awesome metal card or something really cool. We have the Ellie or Carl, or Ellie and Carl, and Woody. Alright, here we go. I don't remember which one's the winner box. We're going to go with this one first. Not the winner box, so this is an awesome Brave film cell. Really nice. Don't want to waste all the time on the film cell because I gotta see what we won. What is this? Can't wait to see it. Oh, it's a metal card. Nice. Look at that. That is Mr. Whiskers. And it is, oh man, I can't read it. It is 80, I believe. It's a little, looks like 80 out of 100. And it's a metal card. Let's take it out to show you. See? Really nice card. I love these cards. They are amazing. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment and subscribe so you can enter the giveaway at the end of the week. Don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Look at the shiny gold metal card. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.